In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana versus ClickUp versus Monday versus Notion, best project manager. Choosing the right project manager can make or break your team's momentum. So we're going to walk through what each of these tools does best, how their AI features actually help day to day, and practical pointers to get value fast. By the end, you'll know which platform aligns with your workflow, your team size, and the kind of visibility and automation you need. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, aiming to solve what it calls work sprawl, the chaos of updates, files, and tasks scattered across apps. At the center is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that can surface context across your workspace, draft updates, and even convert voice into text so you move faster. Beyond that, ClickUp offers specialized AI agents for different departments: project management to track deliverables, marketing to draft copy, software to help with code suggestions, and operations to reduce routine check-ins. It's an enterprise-grade platform with security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR, and it's widely adopted by large teams. The big advantage is its depth. You can build a single hub for tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, forms, and automations. The trade-off is complexity. If you choose ClickUp, start by mapping your hierarchy: spaces, folders, and lists. So work lives in clear buckets and lean on templates to standardize processes. Use custom fields to tie tasks to real business metrics, and let automations handle handoffs and reminders. ClickUp is powerful and flexible, and it shines when you need everything in one place and are willing to invest a little time in setup. Next, Asana. Asana focuses on human plus AI collaboration, and it's strong at connecting everyday tasks to company goals. Asana AI adds AI teammates and smart assists that learn from your context, suggesting steps, detecting blockers, and helping create plans that match your patterns. It's known for clean task management, resource planning, and workflow automation, and it's frequently used by marketing, operations, and IT to link campaign work, intake requests, and strategic roadmaps. With support for hundreds of integrations, Asana becomes a central hub where creative production, product launches, and onboarding all follow consistent paths. It's trusted by a large portion of the Fortune 100 and recognized by analyst firms for leadership in this category. If you pick Asana, lean into goals and portfolios to keep leadership aligned with projects on the ground. Use intake forms to create standardized requests and rules to auto-assign work, set due dates, and keep stakeholders updated. Asana is great when clarity and alignment are top priorities and you want structure without heavy configuration. Now, Monday.com. It's built as a single platform for managing all your work, with tailored products for marketing, sales, development, and service teams. Monday.com emphasizes quick automation, visual workflows, and data-driven decisions through boards, dashboards, and highly customizable columns. Collaboration is straightforward. Updates stay within items, files attach where the work happens, and you can stitch together views like Kanban, timeline, and calendar to match different roles. It integrates easily with common tools, and it's known for helping teams get value quickly while still scaling across departments. If you choose Monday.com, start with a board template that matches your use case and keep column types consistent so automations run smoothly. Build dashboards for executives to see status, risks, and throughput at a glance. Use subtle automations, status changes that nudge owners, due dates that shift based on dependencies, so the tool reduces manual work without overwhelming your team. Monday.com is ideal when you want a friendly, visual system that adapts fast and brings multiple business functions together. Finally, Notion. Notion is a workspace that blends documents, wikis, and databases, now supercharged with AI agents in Notion 3.0. The Notion agent can collaborate with your team, search across your pages, files, and even the web, and help automate busy work. It's also widely used as a top-tier AI writing tool, making it helpful for brainstorming, documentation, and drafting project artifacts. Notion Mail and Notion Calendar pull communications and scheduling closer to your projects, creating a unified workflow. If you're considering Notion, build your task system as a database, relate it to project docs and team wikis, and use templates to standardize briefs, retrospectives, and requirements. Keep permissions tidy and start with a small, well-defined project so you can establish conventions before scaling. Notion excels when knowledge management and documentation sit at the heart of your process, and you want flexible project tracking alongside powerful writing and search. So which one fits best? If you need an all-in-one, deeply customizable platform with robust automation and departmental AI agents, ClickUp is compelling. If your priority is connecting daily work to strategic goals with excellent clarity, governance, and broad integrations, Asana stands out. If you want a visual, approachable system that brings different business teams together and gets results quickly, Monday.com is a strong choice. If your work revolves around knowledge, writing, and documentation, and you want project tracking woven into that fabric with an AI agent to help, Notion is a great match. A few rollout tips to maximize success, regardless of the tool you choose. Map your process before you build it. Define statuses, owners, intake points, and approvals on paper first. Pilot with a single team and a single project, then expand once the model proves itself. Standardize naming conventions and custom fields early so reporting stays clean. Introduce automations gradually, starting with high-friction tasks like handoffs and reminders. Connect your key integrations so work stays centralized and updates flow automatically. Finally, measure adoption with simple metrics: on-time delivery, cycle time, workload balance, and adjust your configuration based on what the data shows. Whichever platform you go with, the goal is the same. Create a reliable system of record for your tasks, decisions, and documents, and let AI remove the repetitive parts so your team can focus on meaningful work. Keep your workspace organized, your automations purposeful, and your reviews consistent, and you'll see momentum build week after week. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button. Please drop a note in the comments and subscribe to our channel.